Well, when I was talking about at Costco, they have toys. Well, so does Sam's Club. Sam's Club's always got a good amount of toys. And like I said, at Costco, you need to grab them while you can, because I tell you what, these things disappear. Especially the go-karts, the electric scooters, some of these things like that. That thing right there, Rover KCK UTV 12 volt. I know that's gonna be gone quick. And definitely for the ladies there. Check it out, the Barbie Mobile. You cannot beat that. All kinds of cool stuff. Lego, Members Mark, which is their brand. Got scooters galore here. Girl stuff, boy stuff, you name it, it's all here. Check it out, Lightning McQueen down there. You just got to come into Sam's, folk, and check it out and shop for your grandkids or your kids or your nieces and nephews. Check it out. Not bad. Let's hit one more aisle here. Head down here. I know I'm taking it quick here, but you just got to get in the store, folks, or look at the flyer online. I'll leave a link. Look up the Sam's Club toys. The little girls love their dolls and stuff. Play sets. Man, the little ladies just have a good time here. All kinds of good stuff for them. All right, folks, well, that's it for that. So I'm sure they'll have a couple more toys, but they do get blown out real quick by November. So check it out at Sam's Club.